Fun fact. Some drivers on Britain's A41 highway spotted a bright orange exotic bird on the side of the road that was struggling to fly and looked like it was in some serious trouble. They stopped their car, captured the bird, and took it to Tiggy Winkle's Wildlife Hospital for help. But when they handed the bird over to the veterinarians said, "That's not an exotic bird, that's a seagull covered in curry powder." No one knew how the seagull had become drenched in curry powder, but the orange substance had coated its feathers and was preventing it from flying properly. The animal hospital first named the bird Vinny after Vindaloo curry, then scrubbed it clean to remove all the curry powder, made sure the bird was healthy, and after a few days of observation, they released it back into the wild.